What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So here's my ELEKER. Okay, the ball just fall down. Here's my ELEKER uh, ELEKER 25W 5.0A USB Power Adapter unboxing and review. Jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you to
Here
hold.
it is. Yes, so here it is. ELEKER 25W 5.0A. Let me show you from the side. This one is from the side. Let me show you from the back. It's a USB power adapter, and then from the side again. So now let me take out how to open it. Okay, like something like this. Okay, okay, here we go. Something like this, and then here we go. There's nothing inside the box. Let me throw the box away. Let me throw the box with elegance, like this. Okay, here it is. Here it is. I mean, I am really very much amazed. It's a quite beautiful piece of the hardware. I'm using the UK plug. You can buy in another countries also. So can I recommend? Yes, this is a must buy. A must buy. A must buy. Yeah, definitely this is a must buy. Make sure to subscribe. It is a 5 volt. It's a universal charger. Again, this is a must buy. Make sure to subscribe.